Hey guys, it's Mandy. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I have been working on so much stuff behind the scenes and I'm really excited to show you everything and tell you guys everything at some point. I'm sorry for being gone. While I've been gone, there has been some crazy stuff going on and I just hope that all parties and everything turns out to be okay regarding everything. I feel like the more I grow older, the more I realize that energy is everything, and I just am sending all of my positive energy towards everyone. And this is going to be a very normal beauty guru traditional video. It's going to be a Sephora haul and also the reveal of the June Boxycharm that has been really anticipated. And I'm going to show you guys how I want to use it, and we're going to see what is in the box. Some of the Sephora items I'm going to show you also. Back to the Sephora haul. I am so excited to share with you because I have been using some of them for a while and I absolutely love them, and then the other stuff is newer that I just picked up. So I'm just very excited to get into this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like me being back. Also, leave me a comment, because if I do get an extra Boxycharm, I want to send it to one of you guys. So leave me a comment if you want that. Okay, so let's get into the Boxycharm items first, and then we're going to get into the Sephora items. I just want to show you guys this month's box. I just love doing these videos because Boxycharm is such an amazing value. $21 for everything in this box. It's just absolutely insane. One of the things in here is the Kristen Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. I love these lip glosses. So this is the Lemonade lip gloss. This retails for $17. It's an amazing product, and this whole box is $21 a month. And if you guys don't know much about these boxes, although I feel like all of you are already signed up and you're so happy with it, I'll leave a link down below if you haven't signed up, and I'll also link everything in my Sephora haul down below too. So if you need links, everything is down below. But yeah, so Boxycharm, $21 a month, and then you basically get luxury full-size products in here. Usually it comes with 6 products. This month I believe there are 6 products, 1 2 3 4 5, and then 2 of the last product, which I'll show you. I look forward to mine every month. So yes, so this is the Kristen Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. I'm going to try it on my lips later in this video, but this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. She's doing such a great job. I'm really proud of her. Up next is this Tarte High Performance Naturals eyeshadow palette. So this retails for $36. Tarte is, again, luxury brand, Sephora brand. Both of these are actually in Sephora. So this is why I love Boxycharm, and I always get so hyper because it's crazy. It is a crazy deal. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Yes, I already opened it. Okay, I can't wait when I get it in the mail. I want to see what's in it so you can see my fingerprints, but let's just pretend this is my first time, okay? I'm too honest with you guys. I'm too honest. Really beautiful. We'll put this on my eyes as well as the Sephora finds. And up next is the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. I'm so excited to try this because this is apparently a jelly highlighter, but it doesn't look like a jelly highlighter. So I want to see the texture. I love new textures. This retails for $26. And then up next is the No Pore Blem. They make it so hard for me. Touch and Soul product. I love Touch and Soul products. This retails for $23, and this is basically a nice primer. It tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. And then the last thing, oh wait, there's 3 of these. So there's 7 items in this box. That's crazy. So these are masks, and these are by, let's see, Haru Wonder Berry Antioxidant Mask Trio Pack. Oh wow, so 7 products in this. So each of these retails for $9. Looking forward to trying this, and I'll show you guys, I'll insert something right here of me trying this on my face so you guys can see what it looks like on the face. I'm gonna try it tonight after I wash my makeup off. So yeah, so far so good. I'm really enjoying this. Let's try some of these items on my face, and then I'm going to pop out the Sephora items that I purchased. Okay, so let's start out with the eyes, and I'm going to use that Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is such a beautiful neutral palette from the Sephora haul. We're going to try this. This is the Tan Lines eyeshadow palette by Jouer. This is a new product. These are so fun. Maybe we can use this blue one. Okay, so first I'm going to dip into here. I want to talk to you guys about just energy, living your life in a way that supports success and in a way that just brings positivity to you and everyone around you. I've heard so many people throughout the years say, kick out everyone in your life who is just so full of negativity. That has kind of happened to me recently, and I have to say things have been looking pretty good. And I was never a believer of this energy stuff. I thought it was just silly, but you guys, it's so true. Things really do get better, and also I feel like you mentally and emotionally heal as well. This is one of the prettiest browns I have used. Do you guys see that beautiful base? And I know you guys are going to be asking me about this, so let me show you the shimmer shades in here. These are it. They're really pretty. I really like this one. So for this Jouer palette, I want to grab this pink one first. This is the kind of thing that you should use with your fingers, but I just don't want to use my fingers because I'm scared it'll fall on my foundation. This is actually less intense than the Tarte palette. I think because you really have to use this with your fingers, which is, there's nothing wrong with that. Some shadows, some intense shimmer shadows, you have to use with your fingers to get the full intensity. So now I'm going to use this, and this is kind of a wet formula. It's really, really mushy. Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. Maybe let's apply this color right here. Actually, if we wet this, it's going to be really nice. But yeah, that's pretty. Oh, it layers beautifully. Wow. Okay, Tarte. You are a good palette. Wow, this really is surpassing my expectations. That is beautiful. So honestly, you can get this look with just this one and this right here wet. Okay, I want to show you the blue in here because I know that's such an exciting color for everyone. That's really pretty. Okay, let's talk about another Sephora product that I got. It's this, and I haven't smelled it yet, so let's smell it together. I totally judge perfumes on packaging. Who doesn't? I just love the matte finish of everything. Like, this component is so pretty matte. Also, I self-tan, hence all the different colors because I rushed it. This is a nice smell. I'm really for light feminine fragrances that don't smell like Chanel No. 5. And this, if you just put a tiny bit on, even just one, is enough to give you that kind of nice scent. It's not my ideal scent. My ideal scent would be lighter than this and more natural smelling. So it still smells like traditional perfume. For me, being the harshest critic, 6 out of 10. It's definitely better than other perfumes. Another thing that I picked up is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I actually got this in PR as well. Again, leave a comment down below if you guys want some of my extra PR. Okay, finally I got it open. So here's what it looks like. Their bottle shapes are really, really fun, you guys. They have these like little kinks in them. So obviously they spent a lot of money on this bottle right here. I tried their daytime watermelon mask and I didn't love it. I've tried it once though. I'll try these more and let you guys know my thoughts. If you want to see a skincare video where I tell you guys which skincare products I love, definitely let me know. So another thing I picked up is this Versali liquid glass. They sent me 2 of these and I actually picked up another one. I'm a hoarder sometimes because I really love it. It makes such a big difference when it's under your foundation. So it has little micas in it. So it's shimmery. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which of course moisturizes. I don't know how much hyaluronic is in here, but I can tell you that this does make a difference under your foundation and has really great reviews on Sephora as well. People are really loving this and I feel like this is going to be their hero product. This is going to be like their Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, in my opinion. Okay, so let's actually jump to part of the Jouer collection as well. These are at Sephora and Nordstrom and maybe Ulta, I'm not sure. So this has this rosy cheek color and then this bronzer right here. It's absolutely beautiful. I swatched these and I'm so excited to try it. Let's see how it works. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten about the Boxycharm Jelly Highlighter. I'm the most excited for this one right here. So let's pick up a brush. I'm gonna use a Morphe brush. I lost my favorite MAC blush brush and this Morphe brush has been a pretty good replacement. It's the Y4. Okay, so let's pick up this. I hope it's not too dark for me. Let's try it on my forehead first. Ooh, that's dark. It is a blush duo, but I definitely thought it was brown enough to use on the forehead. I'm actually gonna use this bronzer. I think it's available at Sephora. Let me know. It's the Urban Decay one. It's their beach bronzer because I actually want to add some of that Jouer, the darker blush on it. So this is kind of a neutral. I can't even talk today. What am I saying? This is a neutral bronzer. So the Jouer blush, we can top over this for a nice warmth. My camera didn't record, but I got a light dusting of this, of the Jouer darker blush, and it's pretty. Yeah, Jouer does really unique things And I like that they're not playing it safe. A lot of brands would have done a bronzer, but they did a really dark blush, which is good for darker skin tones. And, you know, when they do different things, they're really taking a risk in terms of their revenue. So I really have respect for Jouer for doing something different. Good for you guys. Now let's go in with this blush. I'm so excited. I love this brush for blush. This came in a Boxycharm box. So let's try this. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. So I love how these newer blushes use very, very refined shimmer in them, because usually, I don't know if you guys remember, like YouTube 2 years ago, everyone was saying use a matte blush because it's going to exacerbate your pores. Well, actually, now with the new formulas, you can put this beautiful shimmer in it. You can't even see the shimmer, but it reflects off the light and it actually hides your pores. This is wetter than the Kylie highlighters, the wet highlighters. Oh my god, it's just pure silk in there. It's like silk meets water. I'm actually blending it out because I don't want it to go on too intensely. Okay, so obviously I'm going to take this off because we're going to try the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss, but this is so pretty on the lips. I'm going to play around with this so much. I feel like this will be beautiful as a body highlighter as well. Oh my god, you guys, it just blends so effortlessly. So I'm going to use this color right here under my eyes. Okay, let me show you everything else I got first from Sephora. Here's my Sephora bag. Okay, so I got the Huda Beauty lipsticks. I want to actually use these for Instagram. And then this is what it looks like inside. It's really pretty. I just want to save that for like a close-up lip video on Instagram. But I do want to try this Camila Cabello, not Cabello. It's from Lancome. This is what it looks like. I really like the component. And then it opens when you hit the top. Lancome did a really good job on this. And this color is a really, really pretty purplish nude. And I am all for warm on your eyes and then a cooler color on the lips. And it has lips at the edge. Do you guys see that? It's really pretty. So let's see. This is really nice and really creamy. This formula is amazing. I need to pick up more. This is like my new favorite lipstick now. This is the creamiest, richest lipstick I have tried. Do you guys like a color this nude on me? I'm always a little bit self-conscious about going this nude. So I want to try the two. I know this has nothing to do with Sephora and I'm sorry, but I want to show you the two Kylie products that I picked up from Ulta because I really like the colors of these. This is their Velvet formula and this is low key and it's a really nice peachy color. It actually will go nicely with this look. If I'm gonna wear liquid lipstick, it's gonna be these velvets. Do you love it? It's really pretty for summer and it's very flattering on the lips. So this is basic and this is a brown color and I really love this color. A lot of people that are my skin tone don't love browns, but I love them. Do you guys like the Lancome one the best or these? Let me know. Now let's do the Kristen lip gloss. I love this lip gloss and she did a phenomenal job on her packaging. So this is the type of lip gloss where your lips, they can be dry, but it's still gonna feel amazing on them. It's gonna soak it up. It's gonna cover the dry portions really, really nicely. I love it. I put on a little bit too much. Honestly, you need one dib to cover your entire lips. I did 2 dibs and it's like almost too much. So this is gonna go a long way. I love, love, love this formula. To finish off this look, I'm gonna put on this highlighter. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I actually love it, this highlighted. Is it too much? I love it. The last thing I got from Sephora is this Rose Herbivore Hibiscus Coconut Water. What I have going on is pretty perfect right now. It doesn't need more hydration. I actually want to wear this out. It's so pretty. Boxycharm, I mean, this is all you right now. Wow. But I'm going to spray this actually on my shoulders. This is a really nice rose scent. You can tell it's not synthetic. You guys, can you see my little burn right here from when I was little? I try to cover it up just because if people don't know what it is, they're always like, what is that? And they freak out. So I usually cover it up with my hair. Yeah. Ooh, that felt really, really nice. So this was yummy. The scent of this is really, really yummy. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you have an amazing rest of the day. I hope you have an amazing week, weekend, whatever it is where you are. And yeah, I'll see you soon back here for another video. Bye guys. I love you so much.